Listen, guys, I know you're saying, what if the real estate market crashes? And I'm going to give you a couple of options on how to make $5,000 a month in an economic free fall or economic crash. I am a realtor. I will sell your home and your land and make you profit that would put more money back into your pocket. So I know you're saying, listen, I already have a house. Probably scared about losing my job or just saving more money just to, in case of emergency that happens. So I'm going to give you a couple of options on how to put more money in your pocket like the rich and the wealthy does. So number one option, if you own a home, there's no reason why you don't own a second home and turn that asset or that debt into an asset. The way the rich stay rich and the wealthy get wealthy is that they know how to obtain assets. Now, I'm not going to tell you whether you should rent it out, flip it, wholesale it, or whatever you have to do. But if the numbers match up, that's the whole thing about investing, is the numbers match up. If you can create out of that rental property $400 to $500 a month, that is a good investment. If you can flip it and you know guaranteed that you're gonna get 80,000, 50 to 80,000 from it, that's a good investment. Or renovate it and the numbers add up, that's a good investment. Now, I'm not saying that getting a house is your only option to avoiding an economic free fall or economic standstill. There are other ways that you can make money. Number one, we have Amazon, and most people are scared to go out and shop. So if you can invest in a box company, get a box. It's a non-sexy approach to investing, but it's a very important option because everybody's gonna need a box. So if you can invest in a box company or start a box company or something along those lines, that would be a great investment. Also signs, everybody needs a sign. So if you could invest in a sign company or invest in a company that makes signs, it's a great option. Everybody's wearing a mask, cloth, toilet paper, clothes. It's a great investment. But you can also reach me if you need more information on how to sell or make this money in real estate, how to flip a home, renovate a home, rent out a home. You can always go to my website, cashforhomes.today. Cashforhomes.today. You can always reach out me, check out the website. It's all about making the numbers add up, mathematician skills. Real estate has been going up, so what goes up must come down. So even in the up market, you can make money even in a down market. It's just that the numbers have to make sense. You just have to make sense of these numbers. And once you make sense of these numbers, you know how much money is going into your pocket for the profit. So you have to know how to market the property. That is the single most important skill that you have to have. And if you don't have that skill, you have to know somebody with that skill, because the whole real estate game, the whole real estate market is changing, and it's changing really quick. Everything's going digital, so you have to market that property if you want to get that the most out of your rental income when you flip it in renovated income. You have to know how to market it so it can get top dollar, also multiple offers on it. So cashforhomes.today. My name's Rodell. Feel free to reach out to me and let's make this money.